In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etax account for Hong Kong in 25 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're an individual, a business, or a tax representative, we're going to walk through everything you need to know to get started smoothly. First, let's head over to the website you'll be working with today. Open your preferred browser and navigate to https://etax.gov. This is the official Inland Revenue Department site where you'll find all the tools and resources necessary for setting up your Etax account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see options for different types of Etax accounts. It's important to select the right one for your needs. There are three primary options: individual tax, business tax, and tax representative. Choose the category that best describes you. This ensures you get the relevant prompts and forms tailored to your situation. Next, locate and click on the tax portal link on the site. This is your gateway to the various services offered by Etax. You'll find all the access points to begin your registration process right here. When you reach the login page, you'll need to decide between two options, especially if this is your first time. For new users, select New Registration. This will guide you through the initial setup, including creating your credentials. If you're already registered but need access now, choose Apply for Access Code. This will direct you on how to receive a unique code to gain entry to your account. Creating your password and setting up your profile is the next crucial step. Make sure your password is strong and secure, consisting of a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This not only protects your personal information, but also ensures you have uninterrupted access to your account in the future. Once your password is set, follow the prompts to input your personal details and verify your identity. Finally, you'll need to complete the registration process. Double-check all your inputs to avoid any errors. This includes verifying your email, completing identity verification steps, and confirming the details you've entered are correct. Once you've completed all these steps, you should receive a confirmation indicating your registration is successful. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a fully operational Etax account for Hong Kong. You can now access a broad range of services from filing taxes to retrieving tax information effortlessly. Remember to keep your login details safe and secure. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide makes your Etax experience as seamless as possible. Catch you in the next video.